Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create your image or set your profile pic in Google Chrome. So first, make sure your internet connection is turned on and that you are signed into your account. If not signed into your account, then click on your profile right here at the top corner of the screen and select Manage your Google account. Then head over to Personal Info. Then right here, select Profile Picture. Then select Add Profile Picture. And you can choose any profile picture from Google Photos from your computer. I'm just going to select one here. Then click on Next and select Save as Profile Picture. Now you can just cancel this. And if you notice that the image here and here are not synced, sign out of your account, then sign back in. And now you can see the picture here and the picture here, they are synced. And that's all you need to do to set your profile picture in Google Chrome. That's all for today's video. I hope it helps you out. If it did, make sure to leave a like, share, and leave a comment below if you have any questions. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.